5 insane buzzer strategies for Scienceful. And you're not going to want to miss this last one, as it's the most powerful.
Toss-up physics multiple choice. What force keeps planets?
Gravity.
That's correct.
Yes! How did I do that? I implemented a very powerful technique, predicting the question. The full question was, what force keeps planets and their moons in orbit? But as soon as I heard the words planets and forces, I know one of the main forces acting on planets is gravity. So I knew there's like a 99.9% chance the answer is going to be gravity.
Toss-up Earth and space multiple choice. Which of the following weather phenomena is generally formed over warm ocean waters? W. Tornadoes. X. Earthquakes. Y. Hurricanes.
Why?
That's correct.
Yes! Another cool strategy in Scienceful, just buzz as soon as you hear the right answer choice. There's no need to wait for the moderator to read all the answer choices. But you might be wondering, why do you even have to wait for any of the answer choices? The reason is because on multiple choice questions, you either have to say the letter or the exact answer, word for word. This is why it's often risky to try and buzz before any of the answer choices are read. For example, in this question, the correct answer could have been something like a cyclone or a typhoon, which is the same weather phenomena in different parts of the world.
Toss-up physics multiple choice. What term is used to describe the energy associated with the motion?
Kinetic.
Incorrect. The correct answer was kinetic energy.
No! Shoot! How did I make such a silly mistake? This illustrates a very powerful learning point, and that is, don't try and buzz too soon before the answer choices are read, because you might get the question wrong if you're not exactly saying what the choice is.
Toss-up Earth and space multiple choice. How will the temperature of the Earth change if more clouds are added? W. Temperature will increase.
Temperature will decrease.
Correct.
Yes! So, like I mentioned earlier, unfortunately I buzzed too soon. I didn't wait for any of the choices. But in this time, I knew the first choice was temperature will increase. So I knew the temperature would decrease, but I didn't know how exactly the choice would structure it. But after hearing W, I knew the choice would be temperature will decrease. So I could buzz as soon as that first choice was said and say temperature will decrease in the exact manner as the first choice did.
Toss-up biology multiple choice. Which of the following is required for photosynthesis? W. Nitrogen. X. Oxygen. Y. Phosphorus.
Z.
That is correct.
Yes. I use another cool strategy. If it isn't W, X, or Y, it's Z. So you don't even have to wait for Z to even be said. As soon as Y finished, you can buzz and say Z. Because if it's not W, X, or Y, it has to be Z. Make sure you don't wait all the way because of your doubts, because this can result in a really cool buzzing advantage. If you have any other cool buzzer strategies, let me know in the comments below. And in addition, check out the other video where I cover Scienceful resources to actually learn the content that's on Scienceful. You can click on that video right over there.